up, guys? I got myself a Moviemaker, Moviemaker set from Grip Gear, which is this little gadget, and yeah, it's for small camera, so I like the small camera thing. It's it's small, compact, and it's nice for one-man show like myself, or just up the quality of videos that I'm making. I'm an amateur, I do it for fun. I got this for a little project that I'm trying to see how it works, and yeah, but let's unbox it. Let's unbox it and just have a look. Quality, the feel, I'll try and use it, and then I'll report back to you when I actually start using it in the field. So anyway, so let's unbox this.
Was nothing, look at this love we found. So give me that hand, I can set my